Welcome to Tiburon, one of Marin County's most exclusive and scenic enclaves. A coastal hillside community overlooking the San Francisco Bay, Tiburon blends small-town charm with world-class living, offering breathtaking views, top-rated schools, and an unmatched sense of peace and privacy. Welcome to Shoreline Vista Townhomes, a modern hillside retreat overlooking the San Francisco Bay. Perched along a quiet ridgeline, this community blends natural beauty with relaxed coastal living. Residents enjoy a sunlit pool, private tennis courts, and direct trail access to some of Marin's most scenic landscapes. Inside, each home features thoughtfully designed living spaces with upgraded kitchens and open, comfortable layouts. Spacious bedrooms and modern baths create a true sense of comfort and calm. And from your private deck, you can take in sweeping views of San Francisco and the Golden Gate Bridge. Residents enjoy a top-tier local school system, high walk and bike scores, and unparalleled access to natural beauty, all within a convenient distance to neighboring cities. Life here feels refined, private, and deeply connected to nature. Here in Tiburon, you can have it all. Morning walks along the waterfront, afternoons exploring boutique shops and coastal trails, and stress-free commutes via ferry to San Francisco, or quick access to the Golden Gate Bridge and Silicon Valley corridors. Nearby employers include BioMarin, Restoration Hardware, and Marin Health, while the wine country, Mount Tam, and Marin County's beaches are all just a short drive away. Whether commuting or working from home, Tiburon residents enjoy the best of both worlds, tranquility and convenience, in one of Northern California's most desirable locations. Welcome home to Shoreline Vista Townhomes.